yazi I have noticed ukuthi empilweni the reason yokuthi singaphumeleli is not because of sinamabhadi or something else. I think thina abantu sithina siyasidelay thina self because thina I think sinalento lokusitshela ukuthi mhlawumbe kunesikhathi esiright okumele sisilinde for ukuthi kwenzeke izinto. We think ukuthi mhlawumbe kumele size sibe notho ukuze siqale ukwenza something, but angiboni ukuthi kunjalo. If you believe ukuthi you can do it, just do it now. Doesn't matter ukuthi ready, it doesn't matter ukuthi ubani okusupportayo, it doesn't matter ukuthi ubani okubonayo. You know, okubalekile ukuthi uqalile noma ungabheda kangakanani, but okubalekile ukuthi uqalile. It doesn't matter ukuthi abangani bakho baphumelele, abomakhelwane like banakho konke abakufunayo, akubalekanga lokho, because wena okwakho even if ilanga selishonile usebethola. If uzamile namhlanje wahluleka, usene opportunity yokuthi kusasa usengaphinda uzame futhi, because wena uNkulunkulu okwakho usakubekile. Uyabo, maybe it's because of uNkulunkulu, because you know what I have noticed about izinto ezenziwa uNkulunkulu. Sometimes ungathandazela ukuthi uNkulunkulu namhlanje ngicela ukulala ngilile, but uNkulunkulu akunikeza umsebenzi. He knows very well ukuthi namhlanje uzolala ungalile, but decide ukunikeza umsebenzi because uNkulunkulu all the time uNkulunkulu keza kunikeza lokho okudingayo not lokho uthandwa wena. So my advice to people today ukuthi qala, and don't look umuntu oseduze kwakho ukuthi use-achieveni unani, abantu obaziyo nokhule nabo sebetholile, because okwakho even if ilanga liyasithela kusengenzeka. Trust me on that, kusengenzeka. And even if you see ukuthi isikhathi siyahamba akwenzakali, don't give up of it. As long as ilanga liphuma, lonto leyo kumele kunikeze ukuthi like umqondo ukuthi like you still have the opportunity yokuthi usengakwenza kwenzeke, because ukuphila itself uyisibusisa sibela uNkulunkulu. There are people abaphuma endlini namhlanje besitshela ukuthi bazobuya bebona abantwana babo like akwenzakalanga, but wena usaphila. Don't you think ukuthi lokho itself uyisibusiso? Stop fooling yourself mfana kithi, because when you think wena ngoba nakho sibanimane ethola lokho akutholayo wena ukutholi lokho kufunayo, sometimes it's not about you comparing yourself up nabanye abantu, it's about wena, because wonke umuntu I believe ukuthi kunendlela adalelwe ukuthi kumele ahambe empilweni. Mawuzalwa uza la emhlabeni, I think there's a task ebekele wena. I-task yomngane wakho nebhuti wakho nabanye bani is not the same as yours.